Want Android TV running on your bootable pen drive? Don't worry, follow my steps. First, open a browser. Search Rufus download. Click on the first link. Scroll down and download Rufus. Go on this link. The link is given in comment section in the pinned comment. Download the ISO file from here. I have already downloaded the ISO file, so I don't need to download it now. After plugging in the pen drive, select the ISO file. Select the persistent partition size. Don't let it exceed 5 GB. Click start. Make sure that it has FAT32 file system. Click start. It will give some warning, but click OK. And yeah, make sure to back up your data on the pen drive because it will destroy all the data on the pen drive. Click OK. After the process is complete, close Rufus. Now your USB drive is ready for the boot. Press the escape key to enter the boot menu. Key to enter in the boot menu may be different from depending on the laptop or model of the PC. In my laptop it is escape, but in some older laptops it may be F12 or delete. Please check on the internet what is the boot key for your PC or laptop. Now I will select the USB drive and click enter. After this you will enter the Android TV setup. Click on Android TV, the first option. After this, wait it to load. After this, select your language. To connect to the Wi-Fi, you can connect your Wi-Fi in other networks, but in my laptop it is not working, so I will connect the Ethernet cable and select Vert Wi-Fi. Wait it to connect. After this, select the name for your Android TV. I will just select the Android TV, and here you go. You got Android TV on your USB drive. It is the best way to convert an old PC into Android TV.
Between this and getting paid $200,000.
Here you go. You can watch here Mr. Beast